Please subscribe to our very own Ishm YouTube channel and do not forget to push on the bell icon for latest updates and new videos.
Welcome back, dear viewers, to yet another exciting video tutorial session on Ishm Edu Netflix. We all love and know McDonald's. Right, the lovely juicy burgers can really tickle anybody's appetite. But have you ever wondered what the logo of this famous organization stands for? Well, it is not an M. Surprised? Let us look at a brief yet exciting insight into the history and evolution of the McDonald's logo and truly understand what does the logo actually mean. McDonald's was founded in 1940 as McDonald's Famous Barbecue. Then in the year 1948, McDonald's Famous Barbecue was renamed McDonald's Famous Hamburgers and the logo changed. In the year 1953, the name was shortened to just McDonald's. The McDonald's Corporation was founded on April 15, 1955, and this became the company's first logo. In 1961, Stanley Meston, a famous architect, designed the golden arches as an iconic design, where the roof lined higher in front than the back, flanked by a pair of arches. The M formed would define the company's logo throughout the decades. In the year 1968, the roof lining in the logo was removed and the front was changed for the McDonald's text on the golden arches. From June 1969, a glass version of the text appeared, which is common and prevalent till 2006. From the year 1984 to 1990, this logo of McDonald's appeared in various commercials. In fact, this logo is still used at some places and on exit signs. The year 1990 marked the formation of the current logo in all McDonald's outlets worldwide. In 2003, McDonald's iconic line, "I am loving it," was introduced. It became so popular, even the line got a trademark. As a part of its Forever Young campaign in 2006, the logo was redesigned to what you see in front of you today. Hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Please subscribe to our Ishm YouTube channel and stay tuned for further updates on Ishm Edu Netflix. You may also visit us on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned, have fun while you learn.